guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look here. Super smoky. To me, it's the ultimate black smoky eye. Black is your soul, black is the black hole, black is tar, black is the night, black is the bottom of the ocean. Okay, you get it. It's really, really black. Black as you can get. Let's move on. And I paired it with a classic ombre sexy nude lip. Out of all the makeup looks that I have ever done or ever do, a dark smoky eye and a nude lip really makes me feel sexy. So pretty much this is the ultimate sexiest smoky eye, and if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching this video. Yeah.
I have my foundation and brows done, so let's go. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. First, I'm taking the shade Lazarus, and I'm going to be applying that into my crease with a fluffy blending brush. This will be my transition shade and to help blend everything easier. Now with the shade Celios, which is a couple shades darker than the previous, I'll also be applying this into my crease a little bit heavily and bringing it down onto my lid more to start deepening up everything. Taking the black called Shacks, I am going to first start by using that same fluffy blending brush and applying that into my crease and buffing it out. And then after I get it nice and blended out, I'm going to be using a more flat brush and I'm going to start packing on that black onto my lid, and I'm going to be building it up till I get the blackest black possible. Then I'll just do a quick blend through again, and really that's the whole key to this look, is to blend. Now going in with the Marc Jacobs Highliner in BLACQUER, I'm going to be applying this to my lash line. Just makes everything look seamless and connected, no skin showing. The bottom, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the bottom like I did here. And yeah, I'm going to be taking that same eyeliner and I'm going to be applying it underneath my lash line as a base. And then I'll be taking some of that black eyeshadow and smudging it along the line, and then I'll be blending that out. Now taking a bit softer eyeliner, this one's from just Maybelline, I don't know. I'm going to apply it directly into the waterline, like I said, so there's no skin showing a little bit, and give it some definition. I am taking Lazarus again, which is the same shade I use as my transition shade, and if you're pale like me, you could use it. So yeah, I'm just going to carve out my cheeks, and also going to apply it around my hairline as well, and blend everything out where it looks a little bit softer. And for blush, I'm using Milani's Berry Amore. I don't even know if they make this anymore. I've had it forever. So taking a little bit of Thunderstruck from the Kat Von D Metal Matte Mini Palette, I'm going to be using this as my eye highlight, you know, my inner corner under my brow, and then I'm also going to apply a little to my face as well. It's not really a very like in your face highlight, but it does the job. Sometimes less is more, believe it or not. And to create these nude ombre lips I got going on, I'm going to take Urban Decay's 1993 lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with that. I'm filling them in a little bit, ever so slightly. Now it's White Russian lip polish, I believe it's called. I'm going to be applying this to the center of my lips, and I will purse my lips together until it is blended out. Now again with that same lip liner and kind of clean everything up. And then over top I'm applying this Makeup Revolution gloss. I don't remember the name, kill me, but I will link it down below or post it, whatever.
Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this look. And if not, still give me a thumbs up because that's motivation. Motivation. You don't know that song? Why? Oh, okay. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video, hopefully. Bye, guys.